Here is a simple recipe for preparing fried potatoes. Ingredients: for medium-sized potatoes, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: wash and peel the potatoes, then cut them into small cubes or slices. Heat the cooking oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. 3. Add the potatoes to the skillet and stir to coat them with the oil. Cook the potatoes for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally, until they are golden brown and crispy on all sides. Once the potatoes are cooked, remove them from the skillet using a slotted spoon and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to drain off any excess oil. Season the fried potatoes with salt and pepper to taste. There are many variations you can make to this recipe by adding different seasonings such as garlic powder, paprika, or herbs to give your fried potatoes more flavor. Additionally, some people prefer to parboil the potatoes for a few minutes before frying to make them softer and easier to cook.